It's freezing out here, and this is my little bird bath steaming at a cool 60 degrees for them. And their other bath, frozen block. I like this product.
March 26, 2010, during a dispatch patrol, I happened to step in the wrong spot and finish time around in the chest. This is the day I was sick. I lost my legs almost immediately. I lost my left hand and both my legs above the knee. My arm was drawn, so I closed my eyes, thinking to myself, if I just keep breathing, I will make it home to my wife. I just wanted to serve my country. Every day, I'm still adapting to stay alive. It was hard having everybody change their lifestyle to take care of me. To move home doesn't feel like I'm